and today I'm doing the stretchiest slime ever challenge. And if you don't know what that is, it's when you make a swirl and you pat it down, and then you have to make the most stretchiest slime ever. And then after that, you have to make a bubble out of it. And so I'll show you. And link and a couple. And I'll probably make a video after this about how to make the most longest string ever. And I will teach you how to make it super long like that. But for now, let's just do it together. So this swirl, sorry, I have not the greatest grip right now. This swirl, we're going to go on. Yes. That, then you smash it together, and then we'll have it, and then you'll stretch to make this effect. And you're going to stretch it really well, you press down, and if it makes a hole like this, then restart. And sometimes you just have to make a ball. And that's also in description. I mean, not in description, but not the stream video that I'm talking about. And you can visit that right now because I still haven't made it. Or publish it at least. We'll stretch it. Okay. Attempt number 3. Okay. Stretch. Still good, still weak. Oh, I'll bring it up closer. Stretch. Halfway closer. Okay. Halfway do. Attempt number 5. And if you have to, guys, grab a small little cup like this and press down. It does make it bigger, but it makes the weirdest sound ever. And yeah, you'll flip it over and we'll do it again. We'll stretch it. Then you'll flip it over. Then stretch, boy! Yes. Yeah, baby! Okay, keep stretching. Woo! And I showed my friend to do that, and she said, this is not how you stretch it. And then I told her, well, I'm not the best stretcher, so I'm going to do it the way I know. Oh! Paper wants to play, but it can't. Okay, let's collect. And we'll attempt again. And you can also do this to make a ball. And it makes a hole. Boop. Okay, no more. Okay, we have to make it pretty small. Then we'll pass it. Wow, it's almost a perfect fit. We're gonna take that out. And guys, now that we have it a good size, we flap it down and we stretch little by little. Oh my god! I don't know, guys, if you can see this, but if you do, look how big. spell my name. Yay! Or my channel name at least. Then guys, I don't know if I can do this, so I'm just going to show you something different. Grab a cup, just like this. You're going to fit it in, you're going to squish it, and you're going to make it like glued to the sides if I can. And yeah, and then you have a bowl. Very cool. And that's how I do to add like more into it or other slime. I do this and you'll pick off. Yeah? Okay. And I have to go, guys. And I'm very sorry, but my attempt wrong.